Emiliana Designs, where I help YouTubers and creatives get spiritually and digitally aligned with their creative side through business graphics, YouTube graphics, and Procreate illustrations. Hey, what's up with Pop, y'all? It's your girl Emiliana Designs, and I am here with our October planning situation we got here. If you guys don't know about digital planning, I do have a digital planning playlist for you guys to gets in the know-how of everything digital planning. So right now I am using these digital stickers. These are actually digital stickers that I've created, and it is available in my Gumroad shop. I'll leave the link in the description box. But as far as what we're doing here, we are importing the digital stickers inside of our planner and placing them wherever we need to, just for decorating purposes. You know, those of us who like to decorate our digital planners and make it fun and cute. So then what I'm doing now is I'm using the text box to type in the notes according to each sticker. I wanted to showcase how you can utilize the stickers within your planner, and just to make your planner fun for Halloween, for October. Comment in the comment section below if you are a autumn child, because I am one. Actually this year my birthday is election day, and I'm like, boo, it's usually November the 4th is election day. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, guys, I will be having a sale coming up for Halloween / my birthday, because my birthday is 3 days after Halloween. So look out for that sale, you guys. If you want to be reminded, you can sign up for the newsletter on the Gumroad shop. Once again, I will leave that in the description box below. Hey, what's up with Pop, y'all? It's your girl Emiliana Designs. I am here in my pajamas, but I was sure to look somewhat presentable on camera since this is going on YouTube. So, I just put my fall decor up, you guys. But there's a little tweaking that I'm still doing and working on. So, I thought I would film this with you all. So, y'all see these mason jars. Thinking about putting in a fall decor, because I actually just found these in a drawer in the house, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm about to use these, because they have like little gems and diamonds and pearls in there. This is the one that has the most pearls though, but yes, I'm like, oh, I'm about to use that, because I have like different areas of fall decor. So some are the traditional fall colors, and then the other ones aren't traditional. So anywho, I want to paint my pumpkin. This is my pumpkin that I have. I got this from the Goodwill last year. So this was in my fall decor from last year. And I have these paints here. These paints. I just noticed this is a fabric paint. But I'm thinking paint is paint is paint. So whatever. But I think I want to paint her this color. And then I might do accents like this color. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's whatever my creative juices say to do as I'm doing this. I have these sponge brushes here. I have 2 skinny ones and a wider one. And I have this plate. And I have these Bath and Body Works bags so I don't get it on my good old cloth. So here's the paint. I'm just going to use a little at a time because I don't want to waste it. So I'm just going to do strokes like up, down. Oh, she's so cute. She's already cute. Look at her. Ah! My favorite color is this color that you're seeing right now. Well, really, my favorite color is when you mix pink and purple together. That's my favorite color. Okay? These pink and purples. And you get that Nicki Minaj pink print time error. Pink print? Was it pink print or Pink Friday? Pink Friday error. Yes, I love that color. Put on another pajama set that I got from Walmart. I love Stitch. But anywho, yeah. So let's finish doing this pumpkin. This is going to be the second coat here. I tried to wait for it to dry. Give it like 2 hours. But I'm gonna put candies in there. And probably when the candies are gone, then I'll make it the candle holder. And put a light in there. It's really cute when the light's in there. Give your pumpkin a texture that'll probably make it look, you know, more Halloween, like it's an old pumpkin, you know. So yeah, you can do that as well. And just dab it on instead of what's the naming? And then if you need to turn the pumpkin around, just turn it around like this. I think this is kind of cool because, you know, Halloween is more so dark purple like the wall. But it's more so dark purple and then like orange. But the inside of this will stay orange. I'm not painting the inside of it. And don't move it. Don't touch it. So, if you have kids, put it up somewhere high, high on top of a cabinet or something, where they can't touch it. But yeah, this is how she looks. This is the true color of the pumpkin. This is the true color of the pumpkin. Hello, Ballo Beanie. So this is my non-traditional Thanksgiving setup here with this Halloween pumpkin. I just made it fit with the iridescent look. Here is the traditional colors of fall and Halloween here in the living room. And then in my bedroom, I have the sparkly pillow, pumpkin, and the sparkly vase with some fake leaves. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. It's your girl, Emiliana Designs.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.